Hello friends, so today I'm gonna show you how to disable MacBook's 2011's GPU, the defective GPU. We have the laptop that is with defective GPU, and I will show you how it is the fault. On this MacBook, it's not loading to the end. It tries to start the OS, but then it shuts down. Usually there are some other problems with those GPUs. They are showing artifacts like squares on the screen or something like that. So the solution is the same. The solution is made by Demug software. It's, I think, computer code from the DOS dude. I will leave the description below the description, the link where you can find the software. As you can see, the OS is slowly loading. It's because it's from the external hard drive. And here you saw the artifacts and the laptop just freezed. And there is no picture on the screen. Caps lock. LED is not working. It's completely freezed. So let's try to disable the GPU. So the backplate is already removed. And as you can see, there is a Max chip here, this one, and if you reprogram it, it will not start to show video from ATI GPU. It will start showing video only from Intel CPU, and there will be no problems at all. I will show you how to reprogram it. We will connect to this Max chip through those connections here, and we will reprogram it with using this programmer. Focus. Here it is. Okay, so let's go to soldering job. Yeah, so don't forget to disconnect the battery. Always check it, double check it. Here are the 6 pads that needs to be soldered with the wires. This one seems to be a bit corroded. Here we have nice places where to solder. Okay, don't judge, I will be soldering with the left hand. I'm right-handed. The scheme how to make this wiring, the correct ones, you also can find in the Mox software makers page. As you can see, my wires are already marked. I will recheck if wires are not touching each other under the microscope. I cannot show you that, but you will have to believe me that they are not touching each other. And I will show you the next step, how to reprogram it. So as you can see, the programmer is already connected. We only need to disconnect this little thing. This is for lead sensing, so in that way we do not need to open the laptop. I will have my power cord connected. The battery also can be connected. Now the MacBook is starting to turn on. You hear the dong sound. Now we can just connect our programmer. So here, as you can see, the light is now green. I will show you how the software thing will work. Okay, we need to turn on the DMux software. You have to buy codes from them. Codes, the licenses are only for one-time use. I have my code here, so we just press apply. As you can see, license is valid, and now flash Gmux. As you can see, the bar is loading. We have to wait a few seconds. Preparing firmware. Flashing Gmux. Of course, Windows firewall as always. Allow access. Flashing Gmux. That's it. Now the license is used. The MacBook is still running. Now we can power off the MacBook, remove the battery, power cord, fan stop spinning. Now I have to desolder those wires. Here they are. I will quickly desolder them. Of course, disconnect the power. Clean everything now. A bit alcohol. Okay. Now we can, let me see if you can see it. I have to remove a few resistors now to disconnect the power from the GPU chip that is not being used no more. As I remember, there are these three. I think you can disconnect only two resistors to disconnect the power, but I will remove all three of them, because we don't want that chip will produce the heat and the battery time will be shorter, so we will remove those resistors. Again, my left hand soldering. Yeah, so that's it. Again, let's clean it. Now we can connect the battery. I will connect the same external hard drive. Power cord. MacBook starts. Restarts as usual for the first time. As you see, we have the screen. Besides that, GPU is now disconnected. It's not receiving the power. It will not get hot. The battery will last longer. The boot options. Let's try to start our operating system. As you can see, the OS is now fully booted. The board is fully working. That's it. We have our desktop. The loading is really slow because of the external hard drive. It's even not SSD, it's really cheap thing. So now, as the desktop is loaded, we can check the properties to see if there is only one GPU here. I'm pretty sure that there is the one now, because if there would be two, it wouldn't work, because the power is disconnected from the RT GPU. There are still a few problems with this way of disconnecting it. The external display port will not work because it was the part of the ATI GPU. Now only this desktop will work. The other problems, as I remember, yeah, the other problem is the brightness is not controlled no more. As you can see, it is not changing the backlight. So the backlight is always on full. You cannot change it, but I didn't try it, but I read that you can download the software from the App Store and then you can change this backlight thing. But as I think there is not a big problem because you had not working laptop at all. Now you have fully working laptop. Here we can see yeah, I need to change that hard drive. Here you can see that only one GPU is left. Intel. So that's it. It's a really easy job. 10 minutes and you have a working laptop. If you will want some more videos, please subscribe, press the like button, and see you soon.